In this tutorial I'll show you how to use boost converter block in Simulink. Okay, uh, here we'll find our boost converter block under Simscape, specialized power system, and here power electronics is our boost converter block. And we will need series RLC branch, then power glue block, then we need DC voltage source and ground here, and we need a voltage measurement block and display and scope. Okay, now we have to take a RL branch with resistance very less and inductance like 400 minus 6. Okay, and I'm setting DC voltage source as 12 volt, this and this port, and the ground will be connected here. Okay, similarly the negative port. Okay, and we have to take RC branch parallel. Okay, and capacitance like 36 minus 6, and we have to connect it parallel. And finally we need resistive load. Okay, like 10, and then this is our voltage measurement block here, and display with scope. Okay, here in boost converter we can give input using a pulse generator block. Okay, yeah, this is a pulse generator block, and I'm connecting this, and period I'm taking a frequency like 2500 and pulse width let 50. Okay, and click OK and run this model. Okay, now you can see our input voltage is 12 volt and output is about 24 volt. Okay, this is our output voltage like 24, because pulse width I have chosen 50. If I take is 60, and you can see 30 volt. Okay, so our boost converter block is working. So this is the way you can use boost converter block in Simulink model. Okay, if you found this helpful, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.